The Department of Information and Communications Technology, Mimaropa, has installed new free Wi-Fi sites across various public areas to improve internet accessibility in remote and underserved communities in Romblon. Paul J. Foss from the Philippine Information Agency, Mimaropa, tells us more.
The government continues its efforts to improve internet accessibility in remote and underserved communities. In Romblon, the Department of Information and Communications Technology, or the DICT Mimaropa, has successfully installed 10 new free Wi-Fi sites across various public areas. In a Facebook post, the DICT Romblon confirmed that these free Wi-Fi hotspots are now operational in selected locations, including schools, barangay halls, and hospitals. The goal is to provide reliable internet access to students, teachers, healthcare workers, and the general public to support education, work, and communication. The ICT said that the program is part of the government's initiative to bridge the digital divide in the country. The ICT encourages the public to use the free internet responsibly and assures that more Wi-Fi sites will be established across the province as part of their ongoing digitalization efforts. The ICT Mimaropa said that this marks a significant step toward a more digitally connected Philippines, where every citizen has access to fast and reliable internet connection. From the Philippine Information Agency Mimaropa, Paul Jason Foss, Balitang Pambansa.